Welcome to Sharaf's kitchen. Today I've come with the Chammanthi Podi recipe. It is a very familiar recipe with the Keralites. It is almost prepared in every household, but every household in Kerala have their own way of preparing this dish. I tasted this dish which was prepared by my co-sister Laila. It tasted so divine that I wanted to share this recipe with my viewers. So let's get started with this recipe. The ingredients required for the recipe are dry prawns 1 cup, shallots peeled 1.5 cups, curry leaves half cup, dry red chilies 10 to 15, you can also add more, grated coconut 1 cup. In a pan, add a tablespoon of coconut oil and the washed prawns. Dry prawns will usually have sand impurities, so make sure to wash them thoroughly at least 2 to 3 times. And then saute on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. It should be done by then. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.